Welcome to Study Day with Lala channel. Hello everyone! This time, let's do the demonstration case A number 2, which is the production budget, the second step in the preparation of operating budget. Here is the formula to be used in the computation. It is based on the sales budget and the planned levels of beginning and ending finished goods inventory. To get the required production units, we need to plus or add budgeted unit sales, budgeted ending finished goods inventory less the budgeted beginning finished goods inventory. Again, let's use to describe the budgeting process of Sky High Company, manufactures and sells parachutes to adventure companies. The company sales forecast for the coming year follows: Quarter 1, 40,000 pesos, Quarter 2, 35,000 pesos, and Quarter 3, 45,000 pesos. Together, let's complete the table below using the additional information. Let's take a look first on Quarter 1. The budgeted sales per unit for Quarter 1 is 40,000 pesos. Then, we're just going to add planned ending inventory 10% of next quarter sale, and that is 3,500 less planned beginning inventory, which is 4,000 pesos. Let's find out how to get the budgeted production, which is 39,500 pesos. Take note of this instruction. To get the value of planned ending inventory, just multiply the sales budget or units of Quarter 2 to 10%. Now, since we have already the planned ending inventory, let's go to here's how to get the value of planned beginning inventory. Multiply the sales budget or units of Quarter 1 to 10%. You got it? And finally, to get the value of budgeted production, you can use the formula. In the illustration, you can just add or plus 40,000 pesos to 3,500 pesos, less 4,000 pesos, that is equal to 39,500. So now, we have already our budgeted production. So now, it's your turn. You can get Quarter 2 to Quarter 3. You can answer items 1 to 6. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon below to receive the notifications for my next videos. Let's proceed to the third step in the preparation of operating budget, which is the raw materials purchase budget. It is based on the production budget and the planned level of beginning and ending raw materials inventory. To get budgeted raw materials purchases, we need to add raw materials needed for production plus budgeted ending raw materials inventory less budgeted beginning raw materials inventory. Let's study this example. We need to complete the table below using the additional information. Let's read the directions together. Each purchase requires 20 yards of specialty materials that cost 15 pesos per square yards. Second, the company purchases raw materials so that 10% of each production needs are left over at the end of the quarter to be used as beginning inventory in the next quarter. At the beginning of the first quarter, 70,000 square yards of materials were on hand. Now, let's study Quarter 1. We have here budgeted production, that is 39,500, multiplied by the materials requirements, which is 20 yards. And the result is 790,000, and that will be our total materials needed for production. In this part, let's multiply 10% of total materials needed for production, which is 790,000 times 10%, as given as the requirement. 790,000 times 0.10 is equal to 79,000. That is now our planned ending inventory. Planned beginning inventory is already given. Let's compute this one together. 790,000 plus the planned ending inventory is equal to 869,000. Then, if we're going to less planned beginning inventory, which is 70,000, the result is 799,000, which is the total purchases of raw materials. To get the budgeted cost of raw materials purchases, we just need to multiply 7,999 times 50 pesos per yards per unit of the materials required is equal to 11,985,000. So that's it. Easy as that, right? So now it's your turn to answer quarter 2 and quarter 3 items 1 to 6. Good luck! If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon below to receive the notifications for my next videos. Fourth step, which is the direct labor budget. It is based on the production budget and shows how much labor is required to produce each item. Budgeted production multiplied by direct labor materials multiplied by direct labor cost per hour is equal to budgeted direct labor cost. Please take note of this formula. Let's try this example. Each parachute requires 15 hours of direct labor at the rate of 12,000 pesos per hour. Let's study quarter 1, how to get those values. Budgeted production, that is 39,500, multiplied by 15 pesos, the direct labor requirements, that is per hour per unit, and the total direct labor is 592,500. Then, the total direct labor required, you're just going to multiply the direct labor cost per hour, which is 12 pesos. Then, you will get the answer 7,110,000 pesos. So, that's so easy. So, I hope you can also answer quarters 1, 2, and 3. I hope you enjoyed studying with me this time. Please like this video and subscribe my channel for my next videos. Thank you for watching and studying with me. Goodbye!